A very good morning, my dear students. Once again, I welcome you all for the online session of English grammar class. My dear children, today we will continue the chapter Verbs. In our last class, we have learned about what is verb. So here it is written, verb is an action word or words that show action or being. We have understood that verb is an action word that shows some action. Okay, like eating, we have seen in our last videos some examples related verbs that eating, skipping, running, sleeping, these all are action words we used to do, or these animals or person used to do every day. So, a verb is a word that shows action, like jumping girl, the baby sleeps, a man eats burger. So, these all are action words like jumping, sleeps, eats. Okay, and this is your grammar book, and we are learning chapter number 10 things we do everyday verbs. We have completed in this chapter question number A, filling the blanks with the correct answer. This we have already done. Then second question, complete the sentences by changing them to plural forms. This also we have done. Then question number C, filling the blanks with suitable action words. This also we have done. So my dear children, today we will do question D. So what is written here? The question is, look at the pictures. Write the sentences using don't or doesn't. So you have to look down the pictures and you have to use don't or doesn't. Okay. So first of all, let us see where to use don't and where to use doesn't. So here it is written, look at this sentence. We use don't with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. You know what are plural nouns? Means more than one is known to be as plural nouns. Okay, so we use don't with I, we, you, they. These all we have to use with don't. Okay, and with plural nouns. And then we use doesn't with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Where to use doesn't with he, she, it, and singular nouns. Okay, now let us complete this one. So first one is already done. It is written here. A peacock doesn't fly high. So we know that peacock, it is in singular form. So we have to use doesn't. A peacock doesn't fly high. And the option is also given here. Not oblique fly high. We have to use this in this gap. Let's move on to the next one. These boys dash with each other. These boys dash with each other. In the bracket, in this option it is written that not and fight. So boys is in plural form. So what you have to write? What you have to use? So you have to use these boys don't, D-O-N-T, don't fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. These boys don't fight with each other. So we know that If there is plural form, boys is in plural form, so we have to use don't. Okay. Now next, here, Tarun dash to school in time. In the bracket it is written not go. So here Tarun is in singular form. Okay, so with singular form we have to use doesn't. So here we have to write Tarun doesn't, DOESNT, doesn't. Okay, then we have to write go. Tarun doesn't go to school in time. Now moving to the next one. Little girls dash saris. In the bracket, it is written that not wear. So girls is in plural form. So if it is in plural form, we have to use doesn't. So little girls doesn't, DOESNT, doesn't wear, WEAR, wear. Little girls doesn't wear saris. So let us read out what we have done here. So first one is already done. A peacock doesn't fly high. Then the boys don't fight with each other. Okay. Then Tarun doesn't go to school in time. Then little girls doesn't wear saris. So like this way you have to use don't and doesn't. Now moving down to the next question, it is question number E, and here the question is underline the correct answer. You have to underline the correct answer, and here also it is written the same thing. We use don't with I, we, you, they and plural nouns, and we use doesn't with he, she, it and singular nouns. Okay, so let's begin. So first one is I, in the bracket it is written don't or doesn't wash my hair every day. So with I we have to use don't. I don't wash my hair every day. Second, Minnie don't or doesn't eat fish. So Minnie is in singular form. With singular form, we have to use doesn't. Minnie doesn't eat fish. Then, third, the clock don't or doesn't walk. So we have to use clock is in singular form. So we have to use doesn't. Fourth, we don't or doesn't wear uniform on Sundays. So we means it is in plural form. So with we have to use don't. We don't wear uniform on Sundays. Fifth, I don't or doesn't drink coffee. So here with I, we use don't. I don't drink coffee. Sixth, they don't or doesn't have a computer. So with they, we have to use don't. They don't have a computer. Seventh, some people don't or doesn't eat meat. So here people is in plural form. So with plural form we use don't. Some people don't eat meat. Then number 8, our school don't or doesn't have a playground. So school is in singular form. So with singular form we use doesn't. Our school doesn't have a playground. Number 9. My sister don't or doesn't watch TV. So here you have to use my sister, means sister is in singular form. So you have to use it doesn't. My sister doesn't watch TV. Then the last one, number 10. Plants don't or doesn't walk. So plants, it is in plural form. So with plural form, we use don't. Plants don't walk. So my dear children, let us see how we have done this question. It is question number A. Underline the correct answer. So first one is, I don't wash my hair every day. Second, Minnie doesn't eat fish. Third, this clock doesn't work. Fourth, we don't wear uniform on Sundays. Fifth, I don't drink coffee. Sixth, they don't have a computer. Seventh, some people don't eat meat. 8. Our school doesn't have a playground. 9th, my sister doesn't watch TV. And the last one, 10th, plants don't walk. So my dear children, like this way, you have to do it in your English grammar book. Though I have completed question A, B, C, D and E. So look down the last videos and today's videos and complete it in your English grammar book. So my dear children, that's it for today. Thank you.